Do you feel like you will never speak English well because you don't live in the USA or UK? Do you think you are too busy to learn? Today, I will prove that you can speak fluent English from your own home, starting right now. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Next Stop English. This is the best place for students who want to speak English with happiness and power. I am Emma, and I am here to help you speak naturally. I will guide you step by step. I am going to speak slowly and clearly. This way, you can understand me and practice with me. In this video, we are going to discuss a very easy but very strong method. We will learn how to practice English every single day. Even if you have a lot of work, even if you feel shy or scared, even if you do not live in an English-speaking country. Many students believe they must move to London or New York to speak well, but that is a lie. You do not need to live in England. You do not need a native friend sitting with you. You do not need to study for 4 hours every night. What you actually need are small, smart actions. You need steps that are easy to do again and again. Steps that fit into your normal day. Steps that help you feel relaxed and sure of yourself when you speak. So, are you ready? Let's start. First, let's answer a simple question. What is shadowing? Maybe you know this word. Maybe you do not. Shadowing is one of the greatest ways to fix your speaking and listening together. It is easy and it works fast. Here is how you do it. You listen to a speaker, like me, and you try to say exactly what I say. You do not stop the audio. You do not translate the words into your own language. You do not open a book or dictionary. You simply copy the sound, just like an echo in a quiet room. You try to match my speed, my feeling, and my music. Let's try this together right now. I will say a short sentence. Then you repeat it after me. I want to speak English clearly. I listen to English every single day. This practice helps me speak better. Very good. That is it. That is what we call shadowing. At the start, it might feel a bit funny. You might not know the meaning of every word. That is perfectly fine. Shadowing is not about knowing all the meanings. It is about training your mouth and brain to work as a team. It helps you learn how English sounds, how it flows, how it feels on your tongue. If you do this often, even just for 5 minutes, you will speak faster, you will sound more natural. It is a tiny habit with huge rewards. Now, let's look at the big question. How can you practice English every day? Many students tell me, Emma, I want to learn, but I have no time. I am always at work. I feel nervous when I talk. I do not know where to begin. And I always tell them this. You do not need hours of time. You do not need perfect grammar rules. You do not need to wait for the perfect time. You just need to start. Let me give you 5 simple and strong tips to use English in your real life.
no matter where you live. Tip number 1, listen to English daily. This is the most important rule. If you want to speak well, you must listen more every single day. Not just one time a week, every day. Listening teaches you new words. It helps you hear the real music of the language. It trains your ears to understand fast English, and it helps you learn how real people talk, not just book English. So, how can you do this? You can listen to podcasts like Next Stop English. You can listen to English songs. You can watch videos on YouTube. You can listen to easy news or short stories. You do not need to understand 100%. Just let the noise go into your ears. Even if you only understand 40% or 60%, it is good. You can listen while you walk, while you wash dishes, while you cook dinner, while you're at the gym. Just 15 minutes is enough to change your English. Make English the background music of your life. Tip number 2, shadow what you hear. Now that you are listening, the next step is to use your voice. Listening is good, but speaking makes you strong. After you hear a sentence, say it back. Copy the voice, match the speed. For example, I am getting better every day. I might make mistakes, but I don't stop. I am learning step by step. Do this every day. Say the same sentences many times. You will see that your speaking becomes smooth. Your pronunciation becomes clear. You will feel happy and sure. Remember, it does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be done. Tip number 3, think in English. This is a big change for your brain. Start thinking in English. At first, this is hard. You want to translate from your mother tongue, but translating makes you slow. So, how do we start? Start with very short thoughts. Say them in your head when you wake up. It is morning. I am tired. I need tea. When you go out, the sun is bright. It is cold today. That is a nice car. During your day, I am working. I want to go home. These are tiny thoughts, but they help your brain connect to English directly. No translation. Later, try to whisper these thoughts. It is like talking to yourself in English. Tip number 4, read out loud. Train your speaking muscles. Reading in your head is okay, but reading with your voice is better. It helps your tongue and brain work together. Pick a short text, a simple story, or a script from a video. Read it slowly. Then read it again a bit faster. Then read it like you're an actor in a movie. This helps your style, your speed, and your confidence. It's like going to the gym for your mouth. Tip number 5. Use English in your real life. Let me tell you a secret. If you want to be great at English, do not just study it. Live with it. What does that mean? It means English is not just for 30 minutes on a Monday. It is not just for the classroom. It must be part of your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth. The more you use English, the more natural it feels. Here are some easy ways to do this right now. First, change your phone language to English.
You look at your phone all day, maybe 100 times, okay? Why not learn at the same time? When you change the settings, you will see English words constantly. You will see words like settings, Wi-Fi, screen brightness, update, delete. You do not need to study them. You just see them and remember them. This is called passive learning. Second, write a mini diary. You do not need to write a long book. Just write 3 simple sentences about your day. For example, today I went to the office. I was very busy. I ate a good lunch. I watched a video by Emma. This is amazing practice. If you do this every night for 5 minutes, you will improve a lot. Use a notebook or your phone notes. Third, record your voice. This is my favorite tip. At the end of the day, use your phone to record a voice message. Just talk for 1 minute. Talk about your plans or your feelings. Today was good. I cooked dinner. I am tired now. It's okay if you make mistakes. Nobody else will hear it. This is just for you. When you listen to it, you will learn. You will hear your own voice. You will fix your mistakes next time. This builds your power. Fourth, find an online group. You do not need a physical class. Join a WhatsApp group. Join a Facebook group for learners. Write messages. Send voice notes. Read what others say. This makes English feel real. It connects you to people. Fifth, watch short videos and copy them. Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts are full of English. Choose videos about food, travel, or fun things. Watch a video 3 times. Pause it. Repeat the sentence. Try to sound like the person in the video. Even a 20-second video is a great lesson. Okay, my friends, using English in your daily life is not hard. It does not take hours. You do not need a teacher 24 hours a day. Here is the key. Turn your small daily acts into English practice. Instead of saying hello in your language, say good morning. Instead of writing a list in your language, write it in English. Instead of watching TV in your language, watch 5 minutes of English. These small things build big habits, and big habits create fluent speakers. So remember, make English part of you. Let it be in your phone, in your diary, and in your thoughts. Let it be a part of who you are. When you do this, English will not feel like work. It will feel like life. And that is when you become fluent. Thank you for listening to Next Stop English. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Start your practice today. I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.